dad tried to make me feel better. This ain't what he said. Look, don't make me laugh. This ain't what he did. He was driving, right? He said,
pause it.
Yeah, now you want to stop and find out you're on camera, you crazy baby. You done? You done? You interrupted our movie. Psycho baby. Just to let you know, he been doing this for about 5 minutes straight before I even start recording. And he goes on. This is the CJ at home.
That nobody gets to see.
What you doing, CJ? Well, you don't need no friends. You talk to yourself like Daddy used to, huh? You done? Okay. Alright, man, I'm done with you. He gonna do this all night.
Yeah, this is what we wake up to. And go to sleep to.